Hello, I know it's been a while, but today I kind of just decided to start recording again for like no particular reason. Well, actually, there is a reason. So, I'll be reviewing Master Diabolos Generate. It was a starter and it also came with a launcher. So, it's a balanced type. Only parts it has is the Master layer base and the Diabolos2 chip. It's a dual spin chip and it only has like 5 clicks, or 5 weak clicks to be more specific. And then this thing right here is kind of just like to add weight to it. It doesn't really add that much, but it's still cool. So it tells it to use to kind of tell you what way or it's gonna spin. So this is it in left spin mode. And then I'll also show off the launcher for a bit. It's just a long string launcher with black string. Okay, there you go. Now it's left spin. So, first test subject I'm going to use, which I didn't really bother to review this Beyblade just because of the fact that I just didn't really feel like it, to be honest, was Zweilangenes Drake Spiral Dash. So, I'm going to test it out. First we're going to show a test spin. Yeah, that's kind of an issue I have with this stadium in specific. It just, you saw how Generate worked. So, the way Generate works is, if you remember Final Survive from the Metal series, it's basically that. If you don't remember, it's basically it starts off aggressive first, and then as it slows down, it kind of like releases a sharp tip, which is supposed to help it conserve stamina. So, yeah. Well, anyways, now I'm gonna do a test battle. So. You can see it's very much shaking. And yeah, won by spin finish. And in left spin mode, I'm gonna use. It should be. So in left spin mode, I'm gonna be using. For a right counter, I will be using for it will be Poison Hydra. Only reason why I'm using the DB launcher on this one is because it broke. So I don't know how to launch first. I guess I'll launch Diabolos first, and then I'll go off of there. And this thing shakes at the stadium. So yeah, this thing shakes at the stadium, and yeah, it's basically so far Hydra has been undefeated, and I kind of switched up the frame a bit because previously I was using a wall, but I kind of switched it up to bump because I was like experiencing way too much scrape. So yeah. So that's how it does against Hydra. God damn it. Apologies, I kind of have to... See, this is why I don't really use the launcher anymore. I have to wind it up like that every time I use it. And I know I did it the wrong way. I swear to God, I am not doing this to just extend the thing. God damn it. Okay. There you go. You saw how that one just went by a lot faster. So anyways, for a stamina witness, I'm going to use Cosmo Valkyrie Zero Eternal. And then this thing has crazy stamina for the driver kit. Crazy again. Okay, bring out finish. And I don't know if you were able to hear that, but it kind of clicked, but at the same time it didn't. So now that was just how it went up against one of each type. So now I'm gonna switch this to right spin. Okay, oh, almost forgot to talk about the teeth. So teeth, like I said, 5 weak clicks, but it's very tight. So, you know, now I gotta switch it over. I just really think it looks really pretty. And then, you know, best thing about it, you don't really have to do with the stickers. I mean, the blue one's right there, but they peel off easily, so I'm not really gonna do it. So now, okay, right spin. What doesn't really click that well in right spin, but I don't really care. It doesn't burst at all anyway, so yeah, now I'm gonna put it up against Zwei in right spin. God damn, hold on. Okay, there you go. So now let's go again. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so that's the thing. Shut the hell up. Okay, that's the thing that's really my only complaint about the Generate driver, is that it gets KO'd way too quickly when it destabilizes, but it's whatever. Not really that big of a deal. Actually, no, I should have launched in. Oh, Diabolos2. Oh, god damn it. There you go, now let's get up a bit. God damn it. You saw how much the stadium has moved since the last few battles, so should I activate any minute now? There it is. Now let's play the waiting game. And it's gonna lose. Or not, goddamn! Okay, no clicks. No clicks. Okay. Final round will be up against Cosmo. No, stop it. There you go. So yeah, I know I can't really say it wasn't after I got bodied by like twice, but I think it's a really good Beyblade. Definitely the best in my arsenal, that's for sure. Because even if it's not good against some Beyblades, it's better at other things. Like, okay, the Master Layer Base, that's really good for defense. So once I end up getting enough defense parts, I'm definitely going to be using it for that. And I'll just do a bonus round against Zwei just because. You guys can see how crazy the battles go. I guess I'll just... Yeah, that's basically it. So, overall, 10 out of 10, or actually no, 9.5, just because of the fact that it goes around, and then it starts doing this weird thing where it kind of just like starts to go in like that type of motion, and then like gets out of the pocket. But yeah, overall, it's a really good Beyblade. Like stock, in terms of stock combo Beyblades, I think this is one of the best ones. Well, in my collection at least. But in terms of, you know, competitive, this is a really good layer base when it's in left. When it's in right, I'm not really sure how it would do. Haven't really heard too much about that. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you later.